How do you solve complex infrastructure problems safely, efficiently, and with confidence, with proven innovation and the data to back that innovation? Today, technology changes what's possible. From underwater inspections to high-rise facades, bridges, and sewers, drone and robotics technology allows us to see more, know more, and do more safely and efficiently, even in the most confined spaces. For more than 25 years, we've been trusted to deliver solutions on some of the Northeast's most complex infrastructure projects. When we saw a safer, reliable, and more cost-effective way to build and inspect infrastructure through robotics, we moved without hesitation. This is the Gedeon GRC Robotics Advantage. Proven, trusted, reliable.